Well, good morning. Just barely. Williams, Philippines. It is about 11:15 a.m. on Friday, August 9th, 2024. I missed yesterday. Wasn't feeling good. Yeah. So just barely. Yeah. I do not recommend bad food. It's not something you want to have go through your system. Apparently, I'm not the only one. The other girl, yeah. Needless to say, trying to get things restarted in my day, in my life. Last couple of days have been very interesting and not pleasant. That's why I missed yesterday. Sorry. Yeah. Thanks for the well-wishing. I survived mostly. I don't know how well. Yeah, I'm still gonna go to sleep and get up and go to work tonight. Although, quite honestly, I would like a lot more rest than what I've got this weekend. Or for my weekend. But it is what it is. Anyway, I think I hit 131, so over the last few days I've gained 3 or something like that. Over the last week I think it's 5 total. Or maybe 8, I don't remember. All I know is it's 131 when I checked just a few minutes ago. So, yay, thank you for watching and subscribing. And please comment, continue, and hit the like button. I appreciate that. I think the 24th is my 1 year here. So you can tell I'm getting a lot of subscribers in the first year. And I'm thankful for the ones I do have. I think I remember mentioning about some girl. Yeah, whole bunch. I don't know, she's prettier than I am. So, yeah. Anyway, this weekend has kind of been shot. Didn't get much of anything done, and what little I did was explode the toilet. So, yeah. Because that's what everybody wants to do on their weekends. I hope everybody has a better weekend than I did. Yeah. So, just, so folks can understand, blessings on your weekend. I hope you have a lot of good food. Pay attention to, how long it's been out of the refrigerator, because sometimes things don't work out. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to make this one a short one. Like I said, I hope everybody has a blessed weekend and a lot of good food. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out. I'll see you tonight when I get to work. Fish out.